Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to make a photo collage for a special occasion. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Canva web application, which of course I've done right here. And then the next thing I'm going to show you how to design on Canva. First way, there are two ways to go about that. First way is to start the design from scratch by clicking on this create a design button at the top right corner of your screen, or you head over to the search bar to describe exactly what you want, which is going to launch you into a world of templates that could help you facilitate your creative processes. So now that we're here, in this case, or in this case, we're going to type in photo collage. So now you have your wide array of templates. Now the templates that are labeled Pro means you cannot access them unless you upgrade your plan by clicking right here. But the ones without the Pro thing, it means it's free and you can now finally access them. So this is a free one, and that's for a happy birthday or birthday celebration, which I think is really special. So click on this customize this template, and we're going to tweak it to something sweet, which I'm going to say book launch. I love books. So from here, the happy birthday, double click on it to highlight the text. And I'm going to say book launch. So I'm going to click on upload at the left corner of the screen. If you don't have what you have uploaded, so these are what I uploaded from my system, you can click on upload files here to upload. All right, but then if not, so I'm just gonna drag and drop this, double click to our position properly. So here I'm gonna put in favorite way here, double click, put it in position. So I'm gonna fill this to the screen, and then next book. All right, cool. And this is going to be details of the author. So we're having a book launch. Yay! Awesome. So I've changed all of those. Then the next thing is of the designs that are here. If I drag that out, I want to see what's going to look like. So I'm just gonna reposition and reposition. I want to change the colors, right? So click on that, and does it seem like okay? The colors kind of change there. So I'm clicking on that, so I'm not seeing an option for me to change the color. So you can actually get rid of that by clicking on it, and you click on this delete button, click on it and click on this delete button, or you can click on the three dots menu to explore more options. But I just want to click on that and click on this delete button. So I like this. It's beautiful this way without all those stuff. So this is just fine for me. Okay, so once you're done tweaking all of the elements and you've done to your satisfaction, you've dragged and dropped and made your collage, you can click on the share button and click on download. Decide your download settings, and it's just going to be saved in your phone or in your system in this case. So you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped your search.